gusto nyo makita kung anong nilalaman. Okay. Yan po yung setup. Nandito yung power supply, speed control. There's a digital number. And this one is going to forward and reverse the motor. And this is your ignition switch. I mean igniter. And ito po yung table, stainless table. Ito po yung loob ng grill. Speed 1 rod, speed rod 2, 3. Okay. Yan po yung burner. Nandito naman yung takip niya. Okay. Saka nandyan yung grill. Tignan natin kung paanong buksan. Ito yung labas. Okay. Bago yung buksan, make sure this vent is open. And also you have another vent below. Okay. How to open? Just simply open your tank, and then this is your propane regulator. Make sure you have to pull turn one turn. Okay, that's one turn pull, and then ignite this. Or buksan muna natin para makita nyo. Okay. And then ignite. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Boom. Okay, yan po yung slow. Kung gusto nyong palakasan, dito. Yan po yung malakas na. Yan. Ito po, they're dancing. And I mean, they're not stable. The flame is not stable just because the door is open and we are outside. It's windy. So if you guys wanna see how it's stable my blow flame, close your door. Okay. Once you close the door and check inside my grill. Boom. That's how steady they are. Steady. Steady. Parehong pareho yung apoy. Palakasan pa natin. Okay. Yan. So, titignan nyo, parehong silang simple and steady. Hanggang sa dulo, hanggang dun. Okay? Siyempre, nandun yung vent, kaya may hangin pumapasok doon, kaya sumasayaw yung nasa harapan. Pero steady yan. Parehong pareho. Kung i-close mo, ganyan lang. Okay? 400 na agad. Wala pang 2 minutes. It's not even 2 minutes. Okay guys.